Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm here with another video, and today I'm here to share a package I got in the mail today, and it is from Pat Kuhn, who is Pat Kuhn here on YouTube. um, this is her package um, for her, I think it was her challenge. I'm not her IC challenge or her memory dex challenge. Oh my god, isn't that terrible? And she gave me this cute card, and it says thank you, and it says, "Hi Therese, so sorry this has taken so long. Please enjoy your gift card and die. Hope you don't have this one." Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Pat. You didn't have to. A card like this and the card would have been fine. I mean, I so appreciate what you have included in here. That's, oh my gosh. So I won her challenge. Look how cute this little box is. Oh my gosh. Look at these die cuts and this little bag with this punched out heart. How cute. And it has a gift card in it. Oh my gosh, this is so generous of you. Oh my god, I love this. And then here's another bag, and I think there's some die cuts. I love this bag. It is so cute. And I'm gonna cut this free. I love this bag. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. And I think some of the die cuts kind of fell out, or some of it fell out, so I'm going to leave that over there. But she's included some die cuts. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Pat. I love this. It's like a bag box or something like that. It is so stinking cute. And then oh my gosh, look at this die. Oh my gosh. I, believe it or not, I do not own this set yet. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Pat. I love it. Thank you so much, and I can't believe I won your challenge, and I hope we can do a personal swap together soon, because I know that you do a lot of junk journals, and they're gorgeous. So thanks everybody for watching. Go check out Pat. I'll have her link down below so you can go and check her out. And she's a wonderful crafter. She loves to do junk journals and hauls and things like that. So you guys want to go and check her out, okay? So thanks everyone once more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.